Good evening, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Apil Ahmed. Here, I am going to start a new chapter. Basically, the chapter will be related to higher order differential. Okay? So that chapter is our successive differentiation. Yes, and I hope this lecture or this video will be helpful for the student of BSc first semester, BCA as well as B.Tech students. Okay. Well, I will recall some basic formulas. Yes, basic differentiation, okay, which are most important to find the higher order differentiation. Okay, so guys, hope all of these formulas already you got in your class 12 standard. Just here I will recall that formulas first, and then I will solve here some important questions, okay, which will be helpful for your exam of you. Okay, derivatives rule we call here. So first of all, derivatives of any constant number is 0, like derivatives of 5. Yes, derivatives of 5, 7, all derivatives of any this type of constant number will be 0. Already you know this one. Yes, now see here, constant multiple rule here also use here. Suppose c is a constant and f of x is a function, then derivatives of this c f of x will be c of f dash x. That means ये जो constant है इसको बाहर में लेके आ जाओ, बाकी f of x का derivatives हो जाएगा, ठीक है. And you see there is another rule, power rule we consider here. This is this type of suppose derivatives of x to the power n. So this value will be n into x to the power n minus 1. Yes, for example, suppose we want to find the derivatives of this one, derivatives of suppose x to the power 10. So this will be 10 into x to the power 9. Is it okay? Yes. So these are nothing, just power rule. Okay. And here also is a function rule here, sum rule we call here. Derivatives of this f of x plus gx will be derivatives of f of x plus derivatives of gx. Yes, similarly in case of difference rule also will be there, f of x minus gx will be f dash x minus of gx. Yes, and the product rule, guys, this product rule जो है ना, ये important है, just you remember this product rule. So what is the product rule here? You see, just I will rewrite here, derivatives of f of x gx. Yes, you consider this is first function, this is second function. So what will be with the derivatives of this one? You see, so first function, yes, f of x, derivatives of second. Yes, second is gx here. So plus second function, yes, derivatives of first. So this will be the product rule. Yes, so you have to remember this product rule also. And also there is a rule for division or quotient rule also here. So you see the quotient rule, derivatives of f of x divided by gx. You see this f of x is nothing numerator here, gx is denominator. So derivatives of this one will be, first of all you put here denominator is square, and then denominator, numerator, derivatives of numerator, numerator, derivatives of denominator. Yes, so this is called the quotient rule. So you have to remember these rules are, yes, these 4-5 rules are most important to solve or to find higher order differentiation. Okay. And also you see trigonometric functions also are there, like derivatives of cos x is nothing minus of sin x, derivatives of tan x, this will be sec square x. Yes, this is sec square x. Derivatives of cot x will be minus of cosec square x. Derivatives of sec x is cosec x tan x. Yes, derivatives of cosec x is minus of cosec x tan x. Yes, these are the derivatives of trigonometric functions. Yes, just you remember this derivatives. Okay, also you see here derivatives of log x, derivatives of log x is 1 by x, derivatives of ex is e to the power x. Yes, derivatives of ex is e to the power x. So all these are the basic formulas to find the derivatives. Okay, just you remember all these formulas or all these first order differentiation. Okay, so and also you see here, okay guys, so also here you see there will be some special kind of function, yes, like parametric function. Suppose we want to find the derivatives of this function. Suppose f of x is equal to y equal to f of theta and x equal to g of theta. Yes, this function is given, and for this function suppose we need the value of dy by dx or d2y by dx square. Yes, this type of value we need to find. Guys, you see this type of function is called here parametric function. Yes, you see y is a function of theta, x is a function of theta, and here this theta is called parameter. I hope all of you know this type of function. Okay, so how we can find the derivatives, first order derivatives by use for this function, parametric function. Yes, then what you do here, there is a formula. Yes guys, you see, you need to remember this formula, dy by dx. So dy by dx you can write like this way, dy by d theta d theta by dx. Yes, or you can write like this way also, dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Yes, so this type of formulas are also there. These are called the chain rule. Okay, just you have to remember this type of formulas also. Okay, so just you remember this thing. Okay, so guys, by using these formulas, we can easily find the derivatives of this function. Now you see how we can find these derivatives of this function. What you do here, you see here y equal to f of x, x is equal to g theta. Okay, this is given. So now just you find the dy by d theta here. So what will be dy by d theta, guys? Okay, dy by d theta will be d by d theta. What is y here? This is f of theta. So we put here f of theta. Now you see here is theta, here is theta. So derivatives of this function with respect to theta we can easily find. So this will be f dash theta. Yes, and similarly you find the value of dx by d theta. Yes, so d by d theta. What is x here? This is g theta. Yes, so what is the value of this derivatives? This will be g dash of, yes, g dash theta. So you see here derivatives of derivatives with respect to theta we can easily find dy by dx, and dy by d theta also we can easily find. Now by using this one, okay, by putting this formula, just you put this formula here, we will get the value of dy by dx. So you put here, this is our formula dy by d theta. So we put here, so dy by d theta. What is dy by d theta, guys? Here f dash theta. Yes, and what is the value of dx by d theta? This is g dash theta. Yes, so guys, dy by d theta, dy by dx will be this one, f dash theta by g dash theta. So if they provide this type of this parametric function, then we can easily find the value of dy by dx by using this rule. Okay guys, so now come to some important questions. Okay, and which questions are also important for the BSc first semester student. Yes, maybe this type of question also they will set in your final exam. Okay, so now come to this problem. You see here x is given, x is a function of this theta. Yes, you see, and y is a function of also is theta. That means this function is nothing, parametric function is given, and for this function we need the value of dy by d theta. Yes, then what you do for you see here we need d2y by dx square. So this will be dy by dx of d by dx. Yes, d2y by dx square is nothing, d by dx of dy by dx. Okay, so first of all you find the value of this dy by dx, and then you put this value. Okay, then you can easily find the value of d2y by dx square. So first of all you find the value of dy by dx by using that parameter, that chain rule. Okay, so how we can find, guys? Just wait. So this is given, so you find the value of dx by d theta first. Yes, so d by d theta. What is x here, guys? X is a of cos theta plus theta of sin theta. Yes, so a is a constant, so you can take outside from the derivatives. So derivatives of cos theta, derivatives of cos theta will be here, plus derivatives of this one will be here. Yes, theta of sin theta. Okay, so now find the value here. A, what is the value of derivatives of cos theta? This is minus of sin theta. Yes, now you see this is the product of, you use the first function, derivatives of second. Yes, derivatives of sin theta plus sin theta derivatives of theta. Yes, just you use the product rule here. First function derivatives of second, second function derivatives of first. Now you see, just you simplify this one. Minus of sin theta is here, plus theta. What is the derivatives of sin theta? This will be cos theta, plus sin theta is here, and derivatives of theta is 1. So now you see this minus sin theta, this sin theta will be cancelled. So here just a of theta of cos theta will be here. So this is the value of dx by d theta. Yes. So similarly you find the value of dy by d theta here. So what is y here, guys? Y is our a of, yes, sin theta. Find the value of dy by d theta. So where dy by d theta, just you take the differentiation. So similarly a is a constant, you can put outside of the derivatives. So this will be theta minus dy of d theta of cos theta. Yes. So now you differentiate. A is a constant. So what is the derivatives of sin theta? This will be cos theta. Yes, derivatives of sin theta is cos theta. So first function derivatives of second plus second derivatives of first. Yes. So now a is here. A is a constant. Here cos theta minus a is, you put here theta. Now derivatives of cos theta is minus of sin theta plus here cos theta, and derivatives of theta is 1. Yes. So here a of cos theta minus, this minus will be plus of theta of sin theta, and here this minus plus will be minus of cos theta. Yes, just to simplify, this is very easy simplification. Now you see this cos theta will be cancelled. So here we will get here a of theta and sin theta. So this is the value of dy by d theta. So now we have the value of dy by d theta as well as dx by d theta is our. Okay, so what is the value of dy by dx, guys? Yes. So therefore dy by dx. So what will be the dy by dx? This is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So you put the value of this dy by d theta. This is a, and what is dx by d theta? This is our a of theta of cos theta. So this theta a will be cancelled. So here tan theta will be there. So finally what we get here, dy by dx equal to tan theta. Yes. So from this on, dy by dx is our tan theta. So we get this value. But actually we need the value of d2i by dx square, right? So now you find the value of d2i by dx square. So now you see what we do here. So now d2y by, yes guys, just d2y by dx square is nothing, d by dx of dy by d theta dx. Yes. So now dy by dx, and here dy by dx means tan theta. Yes. Now you find the derivatives of this tan theta. Now you see here this is x and this is theta. So हम लोगों को अभी एक फंक्शन है थीटा का, जिसको हम लोग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स में डिफरेंशिएट करना है. देन व्हाट वी डू हियर, हम लोगों को जस्ट ये जो थीटा है ना, इसको एक्स जैसा करके फिल करो. यहाँ में जो वेरिएबल रहेगा उस हिसाब से तुम लोग फिल करो. So just you consider this theta is nothing x, then this will be 10x. So according to our derivatives of 10x, this will be sec square x, but here x is here theta, so you put here tan theta sec square theta. Again multiple of जिसको हम लोग x माना था, किसको मान लिया था, थीटा को, बस you put again you differentiate this one. क्या किया, ये जो x देखो इसमें थीटा है इसमें x है, देन व्हाट वी डू हियर, ये थीटा को हम लोग x सोच लेगा, सोच के देखो ये tan ऑफ x आ जाता है, तो tan x का फॉर्मूला जो था इसको पुट करो. अगेन मल्टीपल ऑफ जिसको हम लोगों ने x माना था उसका डिफरेंशिएशन, तो हम लोग थीटा को x माना था तो डी थीटा बाई डी एक्स. यस. So from this one what we get here guys, from this on d2y by dx square will be d by this will be sec square of theta. Now what is the value of d theta by dx? So you remember here what is our dx by d theta? Yes, dx by d theta was our a of cos theta. This is our dx by d theta. Yes, देखो ये previous slide में है, इसमें देखो dx by d theta का वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे पुट किया था, ठीक है. So देखो this is our dx by d theta. So what will be d theta by dx? So d theta by dx will be 1 by a of theta of cos theta. So you put here value. What is the value of guys d theta by dx? So you put here 1 by a theta of cos theta. So finally what we get here guys, cos को ऊपर लेके जाओ तो 1 by a theta रहेगा. अभी cos को ऊपर लाने से कितना होगा, और एक sec मान जाएगा और sec cube theta. Yes. So d2y by dx square will be this one. So this is the required value. Then find the value of yn. That means nth time differentiation we need. Yes, nth order differentiation we need here. So what we do here guys? Yes, what we do here, you see, just to find the derivatives, first order derivatives. So this is given, y equal to sin x is given, sin x given. So therefore y1 means the first order differentiation. Yes, so derivatives of sin x, this will be cos x. Yes, this will be cos x. Yes, now we need that will be y2 guys, d by dx of yn. So now you see here in terms of x. Yes, so we have a formula, you see, sine of x plus pi by 2, this is equal to cos x. There is a formula. Yes, cos x is equal to sine of x plus pi by 2. So this cos x we can write like this way. Yes, so what is the value of y1 guys? Y1 is our nothing, sine of x plus pi by 2. Yes, so similarly you use the formula. Here. What will be the value guys? D by dx of this one. So similarly you choose here, this is x. So sin x का derivatives कितना होगा? Cos of x हो जाएगा. Yes, and derivatives of this one, derivatives of x plus pi by 2. You see, derivatives of pi by 2 is 0 and derivatives of x is 1. That means this value will be here 1. Yes, ये पूरा का value 1 हो जाएगा. That means this value will be cos of x plus pi by 2. Now इसको again sin में convert करो. So this will be sine of x plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Yes, that means this will be sine of x plus 2 into pi by 2. Yes, similarly you find the value of y3. Yes, y3. So y3 will be d by dx of y2. So what is our y2? Y2 our this one. Yes, so you put here sine of x plus 2 pi by 2. Yes, so similarly you choose here, this is x. So sine of x, that means cos of this one, x plus 2 pi by 2, and derivatives of this one. Yes, derivatives of this one will be here 1. Similarly derivatives of this one will be 1, because you see derivatives of x is 1, derivatives of this one is 0. That means this value will be 1. That means finally what we get here, cos of x plus 2 pi by 2. Yes, again इसको तुम लोग साइन में लेके जाओ. So this will be sine of, yes, x plus 3 pi by 2. So now you remember, you see, now you check whether here you see, जब इसमें y 1 हो जाता है ना, तो इसमें पाई बाई 2 का साथ 1 आता है. जब 2 होता है तो इसमें 2 आ जाता है. 3 होने से क्या आ जाता है गाइस? इसमें देखो 3 आ जाता है. So similarly if we continue this process, then what will be the value of, yes, if we continue this process, what will be the value of yn guys? This will be a sine of x plus n pi by 2. Yes, so this will be the required nth order differentiation of sine of x. Is it okay guys? Okay, so hope this video will be helpful for you. In the next class I will solve few important questions which are related to this type of higher order differentiation. Okay, like sine of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b. Also we'll discuss about the Leibniz rule. Okay, so guys, bye bye.